This is Subsuna Obsessions. I miss you guys. Oh my god. After 3 hours drive, I am now here at the Concord, North Carolina. Here exactly at Concord Mills, East Simon Center. And we're gonna have to grab lunch here. It's lunchtime and yeah. I don't know what's inside. It's my first time in here and I'm so excited. You guys miss me? I do miss you also. Let's go inside. Oh wow. This is so nice. Books a Million. Look at this one. Oh. Is that what? Oh wait, there's a Funko Pop. Or may Funko Pop. Oh. Tingnan natin, there's a Funko Pop. Sige, we have to go inside. This is Sephora. Okay, so this is the dining pavilion, the food. Okay, so let's go jump right to it. Okay, let's go. Well, the tide is a Funko Pop. Ang ganda. Let me show you. Okay. Here you go. Okay. So we're looking for a pop. Siyempre, Funko Pop. No, nugget. Si Chansey. This is Chansey. Si Chansey nga eh. Oh my god, what's this? Okay, this is the Pokemon world. Okay. Okay, let's go. Chansey. Okay, this is a Pokemon. And oh wait, there's a bigger one for this one. Chansey. Di ba sabi natin, we're only gonna buy pops from somewhere we visit. Look at this one. Oh my god. Oh, it's 50% off. Tingnan natin. Tanong natin kung magkano. Oh my god. Oh my god. I think it's 50% off. If it's 49, 25 na lang siya. Tingnan natin. We're gonna ask for the price of this. If it is like 25, kaya to ng pera ni Dexby. Okay. Some. Oh wow. Oh wow. Ang malaki, ang dami. Alam nyo, if only I'm going to collect all the pops, siguro I'm gonna be a poor guy. Kasi sobrang dami ng pops. Look. Oh, come on. Sobrang dami talaga. Oh. Even this one. Oh, come on. Okay, so let me ask. Naghahabulan na yung magmami. What happened? Okay, so it's confirmed. It's 50% off. Yes, and this is before tax. All right, 50% off. So the original price is $49, $49.99. So it's like $50. So 50% off, that'll be like 25. But if you're a member, you'll get an extra 10% off. But since I'm not, so it's pre-tax, it's like 25. With tax, probably it will come around like 28, so that should be fine. So yay, I bought something from Concord. You know what, I saw something in here. Let me see. There is this a Pokemon corner. I need to show you where is the Pokemon corner here. This one, this is the Pokemon corner that I am talking about. Oh, kasi niya. Snowball, I already have got it. Quaxly, I think I have already Quaxly. Magkano ba siya? 13. Oh, parang regular nga na. 13. You think we can buy this one, Dex? What are you doing? Can I buy this one, please, Dex? Do you have $25? Do you have 20? Oh, $25. It's $25. Okay, I'm so happy. So, so, so happy. Sure. Sure. Okay. Switch it up. Yes, please. You have a bigger plastic bag? Okay. All right. Thank you. Have a good one. All right. Such a huge plastic. Wow. Hoken and Rami? Oh, someone is doing carousel. Someone is doing carousel. Okay, someone is buying a ticket. A ticket to. Do you want it to go? Dex, you want to go? Yes. I know. I know you're excited. Me too. He will like it. Do you like it, ba? Dex. Hi, mommy. So this is cost $5, and I think he's liking it, and I'm liking it. Seatbelt on, and yeah, $5. How much would that be in peso if it is like $5? 5 times 60, so it's like 300 pesos. Mahal. But anything for Dex, anything for his experience. Anything. Yes. Oh, anak, you have to hold. There you go. Good thing to stop is making sure that everybody is having their seatbelt on. It's one of the safety measures that they need to secure. It's because there would be a big liability if something bad had happened. Let's go. It's uh-oh. Hold it, hold it, hold it. Woo! Horsey, horsey. Horsey, horsey. Woo! Horsey, horsey. Horsey, horsey. Say hello to mom. Say hello to mommy. He's having fun. He's having fun. Yes. Horsey, horsey. Hi, mommy. Hi, mommy. Horsey, 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 horsey. Yee. Horsey, 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 horsey. Yee. Horsey, 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 horsey. Hi, mommy. All right, so we just finished riding on the carousel. I actually like it a lot. He's even asking for more. But we don't have $5 to pay another ticket. So that should be fine. Now, we are looking for a restroom. And I think, you need to go down, all the way down. And then let's go. Okay. Let's go. Oh, wow. Oh, look. Family computer. Oh my god. It's an OG family computer. Look at the console. Oh wow. Okay, let's go get it. Go inside. There are lots of Funko Pop. Oh, oh. prices. There are pops also. Mahal. 37 yung pops. Here. Ang mahal dito ng mga Pokemon pops. Okay. 50 na yun. Medyo mahal siya. May 12 din naman. Okay. Pero yung ibang mga sikat, 50 na. Okay. Ay, ang daming pops. Oh my God, ang daming pops. Sige. Okay. What's this one? Ito na yung pinakamura. Si Ami. Oh my God. Look at Bunny, $20. Yung ganitong line, 69, ang mahal. Mercury, Sailor Moon, ang mahal nila. Tignan natin. Look at this one. Ang cute! Ang cute. This costs $5, $7. And here's $7. Ano to yung mga local made to eh? Oh, this one. $8. Enough, that's costly. Okay, let's go keep moving. Sige. Sige, sabihin mo sa ano na lang. Hindi sa ano, Ay! Oh my God, nasa Donkey ba ako? Don Quixote. Okay, so this is, sino to? Si Nido whatever. Sige, let's speak. We need to buy something. Meron na tayo na. Ano ba yung mga wala natin? Siguro, meron na. I have it, Bubbles, or Mirrell. I have everything na. I have everything na. Pero look at Dragonite. Cute. One of my favorite. Pero meron na tayong Dragonite. Meron na. Look for the. Ito wala pa ako si Cubone. Pero magkano ba to? If it's like 15, mahal pa din pag $15. Mahal pa rin sa 15. Doon lang tayo sa $10. Diba? Diglett? At Diglett. At Diglett. Si PG. Si Magneton, Magnemite. Ano pa kasi? Magnemite. Meron na tayo ng lahat. Wala na bang ibang mga Pokemon? Wala na. So, masaya dito. Ito. Lanyards. May Pokemon book. Let's look at this Pokemon book. May labubo dito eh. Huwag masyado kami malaki. Malayo. Okay lang malayo. Ayun may labubo siya. Hi. May labubo siya. Once na bero mo naman. Tiniloka. Hindi ka naman nag-hi ka talaga. May malayo ako. Yay. Okay guys, so because we are starving like a horse, I forgot to take a video of our lunch. So this is the gang. So we're having lunch now here at the food court or dining pavilion. And after this, we're gonna have to check out something here because it turned out that this mall sells the Dubai chocolate that is very popular online. So we're gonna have to see whether that Dubai chocolate is is really that great, and we want to try it. I don't know how much it will cost, but I think it's like $50 per bar. I saw something from Sumangan, so that we're gonna have to check it out. Then after that, we have to go somewhere else, and that's gonna be for a separate vlog. I'm with the lunch, and I'm wearing my sunglasses. I don't know. And now we are going to try the Dubai chocolate. Meron? Ah! Oh, the Dubai chocolate. Kukuhay mo nga. Pakita ko lang sa video ko. Oo nga, alam ko 14. O sige, bilhin. This is the Dubai chocolate. Kaya lang it's pricey, pero we're going to try. So later we'll vlog it out. Sige, bayaran na natin yung Dubai chocolate.
Open!
Okay, show.
Oh, maliit lang siya.
Parang gold bar.
Ay, ang gold bars. Baka gold lang nasa loob nito.
Makapal naman ma.
$25. Ay, 15.
50 karat gold.
Oh my God. Sige.
Go.
Sige, tingnan natin. Ando?
What's in the Dubai chocolate?
15. Hindi ko yan carry 15.
O, diba? Ay, may design siya, ata. Ano bang design niya? Parang meron siyang color. Ayan, o. D, Dubai.
Di ba yan?
This is for Dubai.
Parang project lang eh.
Hindi pinapansin na may gano'n. Pakabilang side.
This is the real Dubai chocolate. Ladies and gentlemen, Karibasi.
Sige.
Let's eat now.
Alnada.
From Alnada, Dubai. Ayaw niya.
From Caracas. Lagay mo sa refrain. Gas.
Ah. Tarang!
Ba't parang ano itong pistachio?
Kaya nga, di ba? Parang...
Sige, o yung reaction na lang niya yung pag
Ay,
kinain.
not me.
Bakit? Sige.
Mars, halika dito.
Hindi, kaya mo yan.
Taste.
Taste test.
Mamaya pa namin buksan yung sa amin.
Masyado sa kayo. Hi, Dexby. Are you sleepy na?
Ano na, sir? Pistachio.
Late.
Magkano pa kinito?